Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and that's one amazing Chevelle. This baby's been on the rotisserie. The bottom side is clean as can be, and look at this beautiful car, man. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. I love the color on it. The chrome, the grille, everything looks like it's brand new, and then those black stripes are really setting it off. That cowl hood's looking sweet. All the lines are looking nice and straight. When you look down the side of it, she's straight as can be. The stance is killer on it. I love the little wheels in the front and some big monsters in the back. Looking sweet. And then of course, Cragars on it. Everybody wanted to have Cragars back in the day. Of course, I couldn't afford them back when I had my car. I had to run the hubcaps that came on it. Look at this. Beautiful. Door panels looking good. Absolutely gorgeous. We got brand new carpeting in there, the center console. Now those are some aftermarket seats, but they are looking sweet. Real nice seats. We got seat belts in the back seat. We got 6x9 speakers back there. Got the headliner looking good. The dome lights working. We got a nice aftermarket padded steering wheel there. Everything on the dash is looking nice and sweet. And of course, I know you all noticed that 4-speed shifter in the center console there. You get to make this baby talk. Grab the key here and we'll pop open the trunk. Whenever you're buying a car, you really got to look at that trunk floor. Get down there, look at those rocker panels, feel that lip on the back end. See, we got the license plate here. We're going to go for a ride here in a minute. Inside the trunk here, if there's a mat, pull the mat up and look. You can see it's all nicely finished under there. Check the wheel wells. I always check the lips underneath the deck lid too. This thing is smooth as can be. She's looking beautiful. We got great looking paint on the bottom side of the deck lid. All the chrome back here is looking good. Emblems looking great. Looking down the side there, straight as can be. I'll tell you what, this paint is just popping, looking sweet. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. That means we own this beautiful Chevelle, so you know we did our homework before we bought it. And then we inspect the car so we can answer every one of your questions at 248-974-9513. Let's take this baby for a ride. Man, I like it. Little small block putting out some horsepower, baby. Sounding amazing. Now we got one beautiful Chevelle here. We're gonna get underneath it. We're gonna show you how beautiful the bottom side is. She's running awesome, sounding awesome, going through the gears. Steering feels great, brakes feel great. I tell you what, that accelerator feels really good. We can deliver this beauty anywhere in the world. You just call us at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you all about this beautiful car. And look at, we're getting heads up from this guy. Yeah, you think he liked it? I love it. It's the right color. She's got the right sound to her. She's making horsepower. She is sweet. Love making these things talk when they got nice exhaust system on them. It's downshifting good. I'll take a look down here on the dash. Everything looking good here. The tacks right there in the center looking good. Speedo looks like it's working. We do have an aftermarket radio in here. Of course, the 4-speed down here in the center console. Just sounding amazing. It's got a big old throaty sound for a small block, baby. Now, Tom can help you out with financing too if you need help with financing. So don't hesitate to call anytime. And don't forget, he answers his phone just about 7 days a week and almost 24 hours a day. So you can call anytime you'd like. Looks like we finally got the street sweeper out here cleaning up the streets. Well, we're gonna head back to the shop where we're gonna do something unusual for most dealers. At Vanguard, every car goes on the rack so we can show you what the bottom side looks like. We're gonna do that right now. And don't forget, we are very close to the airport. If you want to fly in and check it out in person, we'd love to have you. We're here to shop at 15100 Keel Street, Plymouth, Michigan. So stick with us, we're going in the air right now. All right, we're underneath this 69 now, and man, it's pretty under here. Let's take a close look. You can see that the frame's all nicely painted. It's got brand new exhaust. The floors are all nicely painted black, and now this is nice and smooth paint, so it'll be nice and easy to keep it nice and clean. Hotchkiss lower control arms, sway bar, upper control arms, 12-volt 373, and it's posi. We got some aftermarket QA1 shocks back here that are adjustable. We got some slapper bars here, so when you put that horsepower to the ground, those tires stick. Now we've also got the Hotchkiss extra supports here that usually are come with all the cars that are SS's, and of course these are aftermarket. The floors are all nicely painted here. Looks like new brake line, new fuel line. The exhaust is brand new all the way up. We got a crossover in the exhaust. We got an M21 Muncie 4-speed transmission. We got a stock appearing bell housing, stock appearing clutch linkage, also jet coated headers, high torque starter. That's an upgrade. Looks like we got QA1s up front also. We got disc brakes up front. I see new ball joints. And then out back we do have the drum brakes, which the guys will pull apart and make sure they're in good working order. We got a great big sway bar up front here. The chrome on the back side of the bumper is nice and clean. It's not actually as shiny as it is on the front, but it's pretty freaking shiny. The wheel wells all painted up, looking nice. You can see all the new hardware, bolts, nuts, everything. We got brand new Cragars here, brand new BFGs, and it looks like we're 225/60 15s up front. As you look down that rocker, look how nice and clean that is. Also, make sure you always look at the pinch weld on any car that you're buying. And you can see the painter did not mind bending over because he finished it right down to the bottom edge. A lot of times you'll see the bottom sides of these rockers have never been touched. I always look inside these holes here at the frame. That's a good place to check out what the inside of the frame looks like. We've got two 75/60 15s out back, and we got brand new Cragars here also. You can see the wheel lip moldings look like they're new. The insides of the wheels wheel wells are nice and clean and painted, looking sweet. We're gonna lower this baby down and take a look at that 350 under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we got a 350, and I know what you guys are thinking, it's not a big block, but you know, the big blocks were 375 horse. This 350 is right at 420 horse. That's on the dyno, guys. She's got Edelbrock Performer aluminum heads on her. She's got an Edelbrock intake on her. I believe it's a 600 CFM carb sitting on top. Of course, that is a 4-barrel, and it is a Holly, I see. Looks like it's got a manual choke setup on it, but it doesn't, I do see a cable there. Everything looking sweet. We got the Chevrolet valve covers on there looking good. You can see that the rag joint's been replaced. Power steering pump's got a chrome tank on it. We do have manual brakes on the car. Firewall's nice and clean. The inner wheelhouses are nice and clean. The bracket there on the alternator's all chromed up, looking good. Then you can see the MSD box mounted nice and neat to the firewall. Looks like it belongs there. We got an MSD coil there too. Looks like a stock appearing distributor, but of course it's got a electronic pickup in it, I'm sure, to run with that MSD box. I mean, everything under here is looking sweet. Even the bottom side of the hood's looking good. You see they put some carbon fiber closeouts on it. Looks real good. Guys, give us a call, 248-974-9513, and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your drive.